Me Violet, and I'm going to show you this slime. It's actually my favorite slime. It's really, really, really good at making bubbles. It's really poppy. This is actually my favorite slime because it doesn't stick, and lots of my other slimes are very sticky. And this one has lots of bubbles. It pokes really well too. It's really runny. It's so runny you can't even make a perfect swirl. Well, you can. Whoa, it's a tiny bubble. See if I can make a bigger one. Just really tiny ones. I'm gonna make this really high. Nope.